everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Winifred. Today we'll be making bread with 3 simple ingredients. So you'll be needing 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you want, you can use gluten-free flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast into 1 cup of warm water. Give it a stir and let it sit for a few minutes or until it starts to activate. In a large mixing bowl, add the 2 cups of flour and the activated yeast into the bowl. Then start mixing the ingredients with your hands or a spoon until all the flour is incorporated into a ball form. If the dough is dry, add a little bit of water to it. If you notice your dough is a little bit wet or sticky, add a little bit more flour. Let the dough sit about an hour or until it doubled in size, covering it with a lid or a cloth. Take the dough out of the mixing bowl. Add flour to the surface and place the dough on the surface. Once you finish kneading the dough, grab a 9x5 baking pan. Spray the bottom with cooking spray or use a parchment paper. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for about 50 minutes or until the top of the bread is lightly golden brown. Then the bread is ready.